Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get unlimited resources in Zooba, no jailbreak or computer needed. So as you can see right there, I am pretty rich and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So all you need to do, guys, is get on your browser and we're just going to go ahead and go over to this website, guys. The website we'll be visiting in this video is called Zoo Mods, alright? So let me just type that in right here. So once you get onto this site, guys, what you want to do is just go to the search bar and we're just going to go ahead and type in Zooba. And as you can see, guys, it says Zooba mod. So what you want to do is just press on that and it's going to start to download. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself and get the word out. This is super insane, guys. I can't even believe it actually works. So yeah, if you're broke in Zooba, I am understanding and I think that you deserve unlimited resources like me. So I'm going to show you guys right here how expensive this game is on the App Store. So as you can see, guys, if we come over here and we just type in Zooba, as you guys can see, look at that. This is very annoying. If we go to in-app purchases, where is it? Hold on. In-app purchases. Where the hell is that? Alright, there it is. So as you can see, guys, they're actually selling something for $14, guys. This is super crazy. I just can't even believe this actually works, guys, but it does. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. Get the word out about this method because it actually works. This is super insane, guys, and if you are a Zooba master like me, then you probably are ready to take your game to the next level with unlimited resources. So this is super insane, guys, so be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself and get the word out about this method. It's super cool, guys, and it actually works. So be sure to go ahead and try this method out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in a future video, and peace out.